Hey folks, this is Jeff Thomas, Executive Director of Admissions Programs here at Kaplan Test Prep, and I've been helping students earn admission into graduate programs and business schools for over 15 years. And I'm excited to talk to you today about GMAC's recent announcement of the GMAT Online exam, a remote proctored GMAT test-taking opportunity. There are 5 things you really need to know about this test thus far. Number 1, you only get one shot at it. There is no score preview, there is no score cancellation, there is no repeat test taking. Barring any technical difficulty, you can only take the GMAT Online exam once, and that score that you earn will be valid for 5 years. So knock it out of the park the first time. Number 2, this goes in line with number 1, the GMAT Online exam is only an interim solution. That's why you can only take it once. Registration is now open for all tests that get administered between now and June 15th. That deadline can, of course, extend as the national health crisis continues, but for now, GMAC is only planning on this being an interim solution through June. This is not going to replace the standard GMAT administration. Number 3, and I love this, you can test 24/7. Test times are available in 15-minute increments all day and all night. Number 4, GMAC is saying it's the exact same exam, just with different delivery. And that's mostly true with one exception. Many of you will be happy to know that the analytical writing assessment section is actually eliminated from the GMAT Online exam. You will take a standard quant section, you'll take a standard verbal reasoning section, you'll take a standard integrating reasoning section. And those 3 sections will be given in that order: quant, verbal, IR. The sections themselves will be of standard length, standard difficulty, standard timing, standard scoring, and you'll of course receive a standard 200 to 800 final scaled score on the test. And of course, number 5, lastly, as we learn more, we'll give you more. So feel free to visit our YouTube page, visit our blog, visit our website as we learn more about the GMAT Online, especially as we deliver information on experiences from actual test takers. But for now, thanks for joining us.